Okay, let's go to Arises. Anong highlight ng Arises for 2025? Ooh. Lack of commitment, greediness, laziness, procrastination, unmotivated, learn from failure, bad news, irresponsible. Throat chakra. May hindi kayo bino-voice out. Huwag kayo magalit sa akin. If this is the opening of your 2025, this is just your guidance. Depende pa rin sa inyo if you're gonna feed it or you're not gonna take it. It's okay. If it resonates, then take it. So, anong meron? Bakit nagkaroon ng lack of commitment, greediness? Kung financial to or love, or tinatamad na kayo, unmotivated kayo, bakit? Saan nagsisimula or saan nagmula ito? You need rest, be. Baka masyado kayong na-burn out sa work, sa love, or anything. Okay? Kasi yung Page of Pentacles naka-reverse. Tapos Four of Swords ang lumabas. This is a card of rest. Rest, relaxation, meditation, contemplation, recovery, recuperation, retreat, renewal, solitude, planning for future. I'm drawn to the Gemini sign sa card. I think you need some duality. Duality. Pwede kayong kung manito, pwede naman kayong mag-ipon, pero wag naman kayong mag-hoard. Okay? You have to relax. You have to let the energy flow. Yung abundance energy, let it flow. Okay? Hindi kayo mawawalan. The universe has enough resources for everyone. Coming from me, ako may takot din ako na wala akong maipon hanggang pagtanda, pero I know the universe will always provide. So, kung ano man pinaniniwalaan nyo, God, universe, Buddha, or whatever, inclusive tayo. So, what do you need to do aside from rest for you to get back your motivation and all of that? Plan for the future, but don't fixate on it. Ayan, 10 of Cups. Oh. Kapag nirelease nyo yung greediness nyo, laziness nyo, lack of commitment to anything, dahil nga siguro baka nakapapagod na kayo. Dahil masyadong action-oriented mga Arises eh. So may 10 of Cups kayong marireceive. Yung wish fulfillment nyo, inner happiness, dreams coming true, family contentment, divine love. Let go of control. You cannot control everything. Okay? Kasi ang Aries, masyado din yan impulsive. Nawawala kayo sa lugar minsan kapag di kayo nakakapahinga. Anything else? Nag-open tas nag-close. May pagka-indecisive kayo ngayon dahil nga siguro meron mga nangyari sa past na nadala kayo tapos gusto nyo ibahin yung actions nyo pero minsan hindi pa rin gumagana. It only means you have to stay put or step back. Kasi pag puro action kayo, either or, kung ano man duality or choices ng pinagpipilian nyo, kung dalawa man yan, tatlo, or anything, hindi nyo pa rin magagawa yun kung hindi kayo nakaka-rest. Okay? Ayan no, burden, 10 of Wands, sobrang bigat na ng pinagdadaanan nyo. Too much stress. Kahit anong work nyo, baliwala yan kung kayo ang magkakasakit or hindi nyo mababalance ang mental health ninyo. Okay? Magpapakamatay kayo magtrabaho tapos wala kayong rest. Sinong makikinabang nun? Kailangan alagaan nyo rin ang inyong body. Okay, so I hope this works. You always work hard na nga, rest naman pala. Okay, di ba? Nakukuha ko yung pagkaaligaga ng mga Arises, yung pagiging jokester nyo. So, chill lang muna kayo, okay? Hindi kayo mapag-iiwanan, iba-iba ang timeline natin. Huwag kayong magko-compare sa iba. Hindi ito paunahan, okay? Ang labanan ngayon is peace of mind. Okay? I hope this helps.